Welcome to my channel. Hi friends, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to show you my origami and drawing album. Okay, so this is my front page. You can see I have tried to make one mountain and ship, sun, like that I want to make. Okay, so this is my front page. You can see here I read the subject drawing and origami. Origami means paper folding. Okay, so this is my index. Okay, first let me tell you the contents. Drawing objects with different stroke. We can see different kinds of lines. Okay, standing line, sleeping line. Okay, বিভিন্ন রকমের যে লাইন হয় সেই দিয়ে বিভিন্ন রকমের শেপের জিনিসগুলো আমি তুলে ধরেছি. Object with shapes, object with different kind of shapes. We can see flat shapes like oval, rectangle. So with this shape I already have drawn something, so I will show you. Okay, easy drawing of 5 birds, animals, pencil shading. Okay, whatever I have done I have written as a content here. Okay, so let's start to see the album. The first one is slanting line. So this is called slanting line. So in this line we can, with this help of this line, we can draw this kind of kite, church. Okay, so I just তিনটে কি চারটে এঁকেছি এই related picture. This is sleeping line. So when we tell to our child what is sleeping line, we have to show something, no? So that's why I have written tube light, this scale. Okay, that is standing line. This is called standing line. So related picture I have drawn. This is circle. First shape, flat shape, circle with just like button, ring, wheel is circle, no? সার্কেলের মতো কি কি হয় সেই রিলেটেড কিছু পিকচার আমি এঁকেছি. এখানে একটা কিউট সার্কেল দিয়েই বানিয়েছি একটা পেঙ্গুইন. ওকে, সো নেক্সট ইজ রেক্ট্যাঙ্গেল. রেক্ট্যাঙ্গুলার শেপের কি কি জিনিস হয় I have drawn this, and here one cute rectangular robot. Okay, this is square, gift box, clock, spider, and here also spherical robot also. This is oval shape, egg, watermelon, balloons. Okay, when we tell any shape we have to tell and have to show our children how it made. Here also one Easter egg, triangle. Okay, these are the object, triangular shaped object. This is my cute jackal. So easy drawing of birds, some easy birds I have drawn. Okay, খুব ইজিলি যে পাখি আঁকা যায় সেই ধরনের পাখি আমি এঁকেছি. This is easy animal, wild animal. Okay, very easy, anybody can draw. This is my pencil shading. First I have drawn, then I shade with the pencil. Okay, this is crayon shading. First I have drawn one picture with the help of pencil, then I use the crayon to shade. Actually I am not artist, so my drawing is not too good, but still I am trying and to do my best. Okay, actually I want to tell that story. That is the rabbit and tortoise race story. So here they start their race. You can see the rabbit got asleep, then tortoise just came to end his race, and here we can see the tortoise is winner. Okay, so now my origami or paper folding. This is a cute dress I have made with yellow color paper. This is my origami too. I have made this dove. Okay, this is my cute umbrella. It can be opened like this. Okay, it can be opened like this. Very cute umbrella. You want to see? Like this. The last one, fourth one is ladybug. Cute ladybug is eating. Not eating. Actually, ladybug is playing on a leaf. You can see. And last is tulip. Pink color tulip is here. Okay. So this is the end of this album. If you like my albums, please do comment and like my albums, like my video, and thanks for watching.